Hello everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and this video is going to be about the strings library. Just a couple of the basic functions. It has a whole bunch of functions as far as working with strings. I'm going to go over the ones I found. These are functions that you also find in JavaScript that I find fairly useful, so I thought, hey, let me go over the equivalents in Go. So one of my favorites is always split and join, because it makes it really easy to work with strings. So in this case, let's say I have a string. So we'll say the string equals hello. The day is nice. Now here's the thing. I would like to capitalize the first letter of, or capitalize the whole thing. Let's do that. Let's capitalize the whole thing. So the first step I would do is I would want to, I could just actually do that. Let's say I want to take out the word nice. Let's do that. Okay, what I'm going to want to first do is split this as an array. So we're going to say string array equals strings, because that's the library, dot split, and then we want to split the string. Okay, and that should create an array of strings. And I think we also need, let me go back over here, back to the docs. I want to look up split, QRSTUV, split. There we go. The separator string is a second. Okay, so basically we want to separate it based on a space. So anywhere there's a space, it will split the string. So it'll be like, hello, the day is nice in the array. So let's print that array just to make sure that I'm correct. So fmg dot print line string array. Sorry for the sirens. I live in Brooklyn where things are loud. So now let's see if this prints just fine. Nope, gonna get out of this. Let's see your non-declaration statement outside of function body. Let me see here. Am I outside the function body? Oh, I see. There's an extra. There we go. That should fix it. There you go. See, it prints out. Now the array seems to only have one item. Let me see if I change this into just an empty string, if that changes at all. Okay, then it's doing each letter. Okay, so then that is working the way I want it to work. Okay. Save. Okay, so let's run that again. Okay, cool. And let's just double check to make sure that if we were to go inside the array, we have exactly what we think we would. So if I type in the first one in the array, it should just be hello, comma. Hello, comma. Perfect. Okay, good. So let's say I want to get rid of the word nice, or change the word nice. Okay, so this array is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to change 4. So then what I can do is just delete this line for the moment. We will say string array 4 equals bad. It's a bad day. Okay, so now that should equal bad. And now I want to rejoin the string. So basically then I would take string array. So then we'll say the string is going to now equal string array dot, actually should be strings.join. There's a lot of sirens. I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, that's better. So we're going to put inside the string, we want to use the strings dot join function. Okay, and we're going to want to join string array is what we're joining together. And basically everywhere we're going to replace with a string. So basically separating each item should be a space. So now let's print the string. So let's see here, fmt dot print line the string, and that should give us, this should now change from hello the day is nice to hello the day is bad. And hello the day is bad. So basically that's one way you can manipulate a string. You split it into several pieces as an array, you modify it, then you rejoin it together. So that's essentially what that was. There's other functions that are on here, so let's go take a look. Over here in the to area, so to upper. Okay, so basically that would turn all the letters to uppercase. This is just trimming white space. Oh, here we go, capital. Capacity. The builder's underlying byte cycle. That's not quite what I thought it would be. Okay, so to upper, to lower are the ones that are going to uppercase or lowercase a string. So let's say instead of, what I also want to do is take the word day, which would be 0, 1, 2, string. So basically, we'll do strings dot to upper, and we're going to take string array 2. Okay. I'm not sure if it returns the capitalized version of it or will it actually modify it. It's not passing in a pointer. So let me just check in here. S string returns S with all the Unicode capitals after the uppercase. Yeah, so I would have to go back and do this. Strings array 2 equals okay, so strings array 2 is going to equal to upper of that strings array 2. So let's hit save. I'm going to find strings array. Oh, I see. String array, save. There you go. See, hello, the day is bad. So you can do some fun string manipulation there. But again, this isn't like these don't mute. Most of these don't mutate the actual string, so you have to assign it to a variable, because what it does, it returns you the modified result. So that's why I had to assign the modified result of this function, the return value, back to the original string array 2. But yeah, I mean that's how you modify strings. I mean there's a lot of other interesting functions here. The cap string with all letters mapped to their Unicode title case. There's a bunch. I mean, split, join, to upper, to lower always seems to be the ones that I use. This one, I think you can use it to replace using regex. But yeah, there's some interesting stuff here. But those would, I would say, are the low-hanging fruit far as usefulness for the string library. But now you're aware that these libraries exist. So hopefully this gave, and there's a whole bunch more Go libraries. So if I would hit back here and go back and look at the full list of these Go libraries, there is a lot. There's a lot of cool stuff depending on what you're trying to do. But I think those are sort of the main ones to be aware of. So again, if you're not using a library like Buffalo to build a server, here you have libraries for doing HTTP stuff, math libraries, any other good ones. Ones for working with images, ones for working with HTML. Hash libraries for creating hash functions, lots of good stuff. But I think that kind of gets the point for this particular little series, going over some of the standard libraries and just kind of learning Go a little bit deeper beyond sort of its standard syntax and functionality. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day and enjoy.